Did you know, according to the World Health Organization, it is estimated that at least 1 in 4 adults in India has hypertension, also known as high BP, but only about 12% of them have their blood pressure under control. It is fast becoming one of the most common lifestyle diseases. Hi guys, today in Yoga for the Soul, we will be talking about yoga poses to keep your high blood pressure in check. Coming on to the first pose, Restorative Savasana or Restorative Bridge pose. Start by lying on your back in the center of your mat with your knees bent, your legs and feet parallel and hip distance apart. Move your feet closer to your hips. Press down firmly through both of your feet and inhale to raise your hips, thighs parallel to the floor. Now place the blankets or pillows or blocks right under the hip. Make sure that your prop doesn't touch the spine. Hands are relaxed and by the side of the body. You may keep the knees bent or if comfortable, extend your legs straight. Feet are also relaxed. Just focus on breathing naturally and observe your breath becoming deeper as you stay in the pose. Hold for 3 to 5 minutes to begin with. When you are done, remove the props and come down and stay in Shavasana for a few moments. Avoid this pose if you have an injury to your arms, hips, ankles or shoulders. Coming on to the second pose, Konasana or the bound angle pose. This pose is a delicious hip opener, but it also increases your body's circulation. Take a seat on the ground with your legs straight, bend your knees and bring the soles of your feet together, allowing your knees to fall open. Your hands can rest on the floor behind you to provide support for your spine or gently hold your feet. With an inhalation, lengthen the spine, reaching up through the crown of your head. Exhale, fold forward. Keep the spine relaxed and feel the rounding of the spine. Do not force the spine to go down towards the feet. Stay for 3 to 5 breaths, feeling each inhale expand the ribs outward. The last pose is Adho Mukha Virasana or resting warrior pose. Kneel with your legs hip width apart and the tops of your feet pointing straight behind you. Sit tall, reaching the crown of your head up and lengthening the back of your neck. Extend your hands up towards the ceiling and gently fold the torso forward onto the floor. Keep the hip on the heels as your torso lengthens on the floor. Forehead may meet the floor. You may choose to keep your elbows on the floor. Focus on breathing normally. Hold for 1 to 3 minutes. We hope these poses might help you release stress. Yoga practices that include breathwork have been shown to provide the most benefit to your blood pressure. Do let us know if you would practice yoga to manage your blood pressure. Do share your thoughts on this and keep watching the space for more such content.